Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll talking about an airdrop similar to Grass and Nodepay. It's called Bless Network. As you can see, I have already joined this a long time ago. If you have missed it, don't worry, you can still join. As you can see, it's still in the funding round, but it's confirmed airdrop. It has already raised 8 million funding and is backed by some tier 2, 3 and 4 investors. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 462k followers at the time of making this video, and they are very active and share all their updates there, which is a good sign for a project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, check the description where I have put the link. Click the link and you will land on their page. So here first you need to download the extension. So click here. As you can see, a huge number of people have already joined. Now click add to Chrome and install it. Now open the extension and click login. Enter your email here and click login with email. Now you will need to verify your email. So check your inbox for the code. Copy the code and paste it here. Once that's done, your account is set up. As you can see, the node is running now and there's nothing else you need to do. Just keep the extension running in your browser. I'll keep you updated over time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.